Hi friends, welcome to NIKRA'S Expert Learning. In the previous videos, we discussed what is a brick, the general brick composition, and what are the harmful ingredients of brick earth and general characteristics required for that. And we also have seen the general comparison between the brickwork and stonework. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and check out in my channel, as that is a prerequisite to watch this video. Coming to today's topic, we are seeing manufacturing of bricks. So generally this manufacturing of bricks is divided into 4 stages. Again we are having sub classification in that and coming to the first one, preparation of clay. So today we will be seeing this part, and in upcoming videos we will be discussing what is molding, drying and burning of bricks. Coming to today's topic, preparation of clay, this involves all these following stages. Coming to the first one, unsoiling. The soil used for making building bricks should be processed so as to be free from gravel, coarse sand, particles of size more than 20 mm, organic matter, conker, etc. This is nothing but coarse aggregate. About 20 centimeters of the topsoil or the layer of earth normally contains stones, pebbles, gravel is removed after clearing the trees and vegetations. So generally this case is nothing but we are selecting the site and we are stripping off the soil up to 200 mm in depth. So the site for taking out earth should be selected after thoroughly considering this suitability of the soil. So depending upon its suitability, we are selecting the site first of all. And the top layer at the selected site should be removed for about 200 mm in depth. So generally about 200 mm in depth, that is about 20 centimeters. We are stripping off that. This top layer of soil contains roots of grasses, vegetation, other organic matter. So therefore it is rejected for this clay. Coming to the next one, we are digging. After removing the top soil of the earth, proportions of the additives such as fly ash, sand, sandy loam, rice husk, stone dust, etc. should be spread over the plain ground surface or volume bias. The soil mass is then manually excavated, puddled, watered and left over for the weathering and subsequent process. So the digging process should be done before ramps. So here the soil below 200 mm is dug out preferably before rains. Okay, after that we have next step called cleaning. The clay is obtained in the process of digging. That is, after digging, whatever the material we are getting should be cleaned of stones, pebbles, vegetable matter, etc. If these particles are in excess, that is more in number, the clay is to be washed and screened. Screened is nothing but we have to sieve them. Such as process naturally will prove to be troublesome and expensive, the lumps of clay should be converted into powder form in the earth crushing roller. After digging out, we will be getting the soil matter. It is then cleaned off stones, pebbles, vegetable matter, etc. All the lumps of the soil should be broken into powdered form. So let us next see the weathering. The clay is then exposed to atmosphere for softening or mellowing. The period of exposure varies from few weeks to full season. For a large project, the clay is dug out just before the monsoon and it is allowed to weather throughout the monsoon. So in this case, the loose soil thus obtained is cleaned thoroughly and exposed to weather for softening. The period of weathering varies from few weeks to full season. So it depends upon the type of soil and the time available for us to do the weathering. Okay, coming to the next one, we have blending. This is the process of intimate mixing of the clay, sand and other materials required for a good brick earth. This process is carried out by taking small brick clay first. So here the weathered soil is then loosened and made in the form of heap. The ingredients which are found to be deficient are placed in layers at the top of the heap of the weathered soil. So blending is the process of intimate mixing of all these ingredients of soil to be used as a brick earth. Here whatever the deficient materials are there, we are adding to this and we are mixing it thoroughly. Coming to the last subtopic in this preparation of clay, that is tempering. After blending, a required quantity of water, that is about 1/4 to 1/3 by weight of soil, is added to the soil and the entire mass is kneaded thoroughly to obtain homogeneous mass of brick earth. So here we are ensuring the uniform character of the brick earth by adding 1/4 to 1/3 by weight of soil water and mixing it thoroughly. This mass of earth is allowed to dry gradually till it becomes stiff and plastic enough for proper molding. So tempering can be done either manually or by mechanical means. So for manufacturing ordinary bricks on small scale, this may be done manually, but for good bricks on large scale, tempering may be done mechanically. So here we are having a very important bit question to be asked in any competitive exam. The mechanical tempering is done by easily and effectively by means of a machine known as pug mill. Remember this? Pug mill. Pugmill. Pug mill. The machine used for tempering brick earth mechanically is known as pug mill. Okay. That is it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will be seeing molding, drying and burning. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching this video.